I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on mathematical logic, lecture number 5, in which some remaining problems of laws of statements will be discussed. Along with, we will solve the problems with the help of laws of statements without constructing the truth table, and duals of statements will be also discussed. Now, fourth law, idempotent law. Number 1, P disjunction P equal to P. Number 2, P conjunction P equal to P. Now we frame the truth table. P, here truth value of P is T or F. P disjunction P, T disjunction T, both T, then T. Here F disjunction F means P disjunction P, that is F. Now P disjunction P, double implication P. Here in double implication both same then T. Here both same, both F then T. So it is a it is a tautology. It is a tautology. Hence P disjunction P equal to P. Second is P conjunction P equal to P. We write P, truth value of P is T or F. P conjunction T conjunction T, then T. F conjunction F, then F. Now double implication, both same then T, both same then T. So it is a tautology. Hence P conjunction P equal to P. So idempotent law is proved. Now 5 number, laws of absorption. P disjunction under bracket P conjunction Q equal to P. Number 2, P conjunction under bracket P disjunction Q equal to P. Now first proof number 1. So we construct the truth table. Here P, here Q. So truth values will be TT, TF, FT, FF. Here conjunction. Conjunction, in conjunction both T then T, P and Q, both T then T. Here 1 T, F, 1 T, F, both F, F. Now P disjunction, P disjunction, P conjunction Q. In disjunction 1 T then T, both T then T, 1 T then T, both F, F, both F, F. Now we take double implication. P disjunction P conjunction Q, double implication P. So here in double implication both same then T. Here T T then T, T T then T, F F then T, F F then T. So we get last column all truth values T. So it is a tautology. Hence P disjunction under bracket P conjunction Q equal to P. Now we prove the second. Here similar to first, we give the truth values of P and Q in the first 2 columns. Now P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q, in disjunction 1 T then T. Here both T then T. one T, then T, one T, then T, both F, F. Now P conjunction, P disjunction Q. In conjunction, both T, then T. So here, both T, then T, both T, then T. Here one T, then F. Here both F, then F. Now double implication, P conjunction, P disjunction Q with P. Here, two columns. In double implication, both same, then T, T T, then T, T T, then T, F F, then T, F F, then T. So last column, in last column we see that truth values are T, so it is a tautology, hence P conjunction under bracket P disjunction Q equal to P, proved. Now we prove involution law. negation P equal to P, truth table. First write P and its truth values T or F. Negation of P, here T, then F, here F, then T. Negation of this negation P, just opposite to this, F, then T, T, then F. Now double implication, negation P, double implication P. Both same, then T. Both F, then T. So it is an tautology. It is a tautology, then involution law is proved. Now we shall prove complement law. P disjunction negation P equal to T. Here we construct the truth table. Here P, truth value of P is T or F. Negation P. Negation P is just opposite to P. Here T, then F. Here F, then T. Here P disjunction negation P. In disjunction, one T, then T. Here we get one T, then T. Here one T, then T. So P disjunction negation P is T. Here number 2, P conjunction negation P equal to F. Truth value of P be T or F. Negation P is just opposite to the P. Here T, then F, here F, then T. In conjunction, both T, then T. Here one T. So F, here one T, then F. So P conjunction negation P is F. Now we shall prove the De Morgan's law. Number 1, negation P disjunction Q equal to negation P conjunction negation Q. Number 2, negation P conjunction Q equal to negation P disjunction negation Q. Firstly prove number 1. Here we construct the truth table, but we assume here that negation P disjunction Q equal to S and negation P conjunction negation Q equal to R. Here we write P and Q in first two columns and truth values T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. Negation P is just opposite to P. Here T, then F, here T, then F, here F, then T, here F, then T. Negation Q, just opposite to Q. Here T, then F, here F, then T, here T, then F, here F, then T. P disjunction Q. In disjunction, one T, then T. Here two T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here one T, then T. Here two F, then F. S is negation of P disjunction Q, just opposite to P disjunction Q. here T then F, here T then F, here T then F, here F then T. R. R is negation of P, conjunction negation of Q. In conjunction, both T then T. Here both F then F, FT then F, TF then F, both T then T. Now we take S double implication R. Both same then T. Here FF then T, here FF then T, here FF then T, TT then T. So we get in the last column all T. So it is a tautology. Hence negation of P disjunction Q equal to negation of P conjunction negation of Q. Number 2. Here we construct the truth table. First two columns P and Q. Here we put the truth values TT, TF, FT, FF. Negation of P is just opposite to P. T then F, T then F, F then T, F then T. Negation of Q is just opposite to Q. Here T then F, F then T, T then F, F then T. Conjunction, P conjunction Q. Both T then T in conjunction. Both T then T. Here TF then F, FT then F, FF then F. S is just opposite to P conjunction Q. Here negation. So P conjunction Q, T then F, F then T, F then T, F then T. R is the negation P, negation Q, disjunction. In disjunction, one T then T, FF then F, one T, FT then T, TF then T, TT then T. Now we take S double implication R. In double implication, both same then T, FF then T, TT then T, TT then T, TT then T. So in last column we get all values of T, all values are T. So it is a tautology. Hence negation P conjunction Q equal to negation P disjunction negation Q. So De Morgan's laws are proved. Now we shall operate any statement with T. P disjunction T equal to T, number 1. Number 2, P conjunction T equal to P. We prove number 1. Number 1, here P, truth value of P is T or F. Small t means capital T, T. Truth value T. Now disjunction. Disjunction means one T then T. Here two T then T. Here FT then T. Now we take double implication. P disjunction T and T. Both T then T. Both T then T. Both same then T. So it is a tautology. Hence P disjunction T equal to T. Number 2. P conjunction T equal to P. Here we construct the truth table. Here P, truth value of P is T or F. Small t, truth values are T and T. In conjunction, both T then T. Here both T then T. Here FT then F. Now we take double implication. P conjunction T and double implication P. Both same then T. Both T then T. Both F then T. So last column is T. Hence it is a tautology. Hence P conjunction T equal to P. Now we shall operate P with F. P disjunction F equal to P, P conjunction F equal to F. Here truth value of P is T or F. Small f means truth value F and F. P disjunction F. In disjunction, one T then T. Here TF then T. FF then F. Here P disjunction F, double implication P. Both same then T. TT then T. FF then T. So last column we get the truth value T. So it is a tautology. Hence P conjunction F equal to P. Number 2. Here we write truth value of P, T or F. F means truth value capital F and capital F. Conjunction. In conjunction, one T then T. TF. Conjunction both T then T. TF then F. FF then F. Now P conjunction F, double implication F. Here both same then T. Both same then T. So last column is T. Hence it is a tautology. So P conjunction F equal to F. Now we shall prove law of contrapositive. P implication Q equivalent to negation Q implication negation P. Let P implication Q equal to S. Negation Q implication negation P equal to R. Now we construct the truth table. Here first column P, second column Q. Truth values are TT, TF, FT, FF. Negation of P is just opposite to P. Here T then F, T then F, F then T, F then T. Negation of Q is just opposite to Q. Here T then F, here F then T, here T then F, here F then T. P implication Q. In implication we know that T, F, then F. Otherwise T. Here we find TF. Here TT, TF. TF, then F. Here FT, T, no TF. So here will be F, other as T, T, T. Negation Q, implication negation Q, P. Negation Q here. Here we find T, here F. T, F, then F. No T, 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 no TF. So others are TT, T, T, T. Now S, double implication R. Here S, here R. Both same then T, TT, then T, FF, then T, TT, then T, TT, then T. So last column gives all truth values T. Hence it is a tautology. So P implication Q equivalent to negation Q implication negation P, which is the law of contrapositive. Now we shall solve a problem without constructing truth table, with the help of different laws of statements. We have to prove this. Problem is, prove that negation P conjunction Q implication negation P disjunction under bracket negation P disjunction Q equal to negation P disjunction Q. Solution. Since given problem is negation P conjunction Q implication negation P disjunction negation P disjunction Q. This equal to negation P conjunction Q implication. Here this is disjunction and this is disjunction. So we may use here associative law. Negation P disjunction negation P disjunction Q. Associative law. Equal to negation P disjunction Q implication. Here negation P disjunction negation P equal to negation P due to idempotent law. Negation P disjunction Q. Idempotent law. Since we know that P implication Q equal to negation P disjunction Q. So we use here this. In place of P we have negation P conjunction Q equal to negation P conjunction Q disjunction negation P disjunction Q. Here negation P this is negation, not this. Now negation equal to P conjunction Q. This is involution law. Involution law. Disjunction negation P disjunction negation in only Q equal to, we may take associative law. P conjunction Q negation P disjunction Q. Associative law. Now we may use distributive law. P disjunction negation P conjunction Q disjunction negation P. Distributive law. Now we may use here complementation law. This is equal to T conjunction Q disjunction negation P disjunction Q. This is complementation law, complement law, complement law. Now, this is conjunction with T is Q negation P. This is conjunction with T. With T. Now, here we see that this is disjunction. We may take commutative law, negation P, Q, commutative law. Now, associative law. Now, Q, disjunction Q equal to Q, idempotent law. And proved, hence proved. Now we shall define the definition of duals of two statements. Two statements are said to be duals with each other if either one can be obtained from other by replacing conjunction by disjunction, disjunction by conjunction, T by F and F by T. For example, find the duals of the following. Here, in place of disjunction, we have to make conjunction. In the place of conjunction, we have to make disjunction. So, number one answer will be P, here disjunction, so we write conjunction. Here conjunction, we write disjunction. Number two, here conjunction, we write disjunction. Here disjunction, so write conjunction. T by F, T by F. Number three, here disjunction, we write conjunction. Here conjunction, we write disjunction. Here conjunction, we write disjunction. This is the system for the duals. Now we shall prove a theorem related to duals. The statement of the theorem is, let SPQ be a compound statement containing two sub-statements and S star PQ be its dual, then prove that number one, negation of SPQ equal to S star negation P negation Q. Number two, negation of S star PQ equal to S negation of P negation of Q. Number one, prove. We prove this by two cases. Case one, let SPQ equal to P disjunction Q implies that negation SPQ equal to negation P disjunction Q. By De Morgan's law, negation P conjunction negation Q. This is 1. Since SPQ equal to P disjunction Q, so duals of SPQ equal to P conjunction Q. That is S star PQ equal to P conjunction Q. This is number 2. From 1 and 2 we get negation S PQ equal to negation P conjunction negation Q conjunction. This conjunction is the dual, so we write S star. In place of P we have negation P. Negation P. In place of Q we have negation Q. So therefore negation S PQ equal to S star negation P negation Q. Proved for case 1. Now we take case 2. Now case 2, let SP equal to P conjunction Q. Here negation SPQ equal to negation P conjunction Q. By De Morgan's law, negation P disjunction negation Q. Dual of SP is P here conjunction, then in dual case this is disjunction Q. P disjunction Q. So S star PQ equal to P disjunction Q. Now from 1 and 2 here in 1 negation S PQ equal to negation P disjunction negation Q. In disjunction we get duals S star. In place of P negation P, in place of Q negation Q. So negation S PQ equal to S star negation P negation Q. Proved. In both cases we get negation S PQ equal to S star negation P negation Q. Now we shall prove number 2. S star PQ with negation equal to S negation P negation Q. Let S star PQ equal to P conjunction Q. We give negation in both sides according to De Morgan's law. This equal to negation P disjunction negation Q. This is number 1. Now duals of S star PQ equal to in place of conjunction we give disjunction. So duals of this is S PQ equal to P disjunction Q. Since negation of S star PQ equal to negation of P disjunction negation of Q, in disjunction we get S. So S negation P negation Q. Hence negation S star PQ equal to S negation P negation Q. Case 1 proved. Now we take case 2. Let S star PQ equal to P disjunction Q. We apply negation in both sides. In right side by applying De Morgan's law, negation P conjunction negation Q. Since duals of S star PQ, S star PQ is P disjunction Q. Then dual will be P conjunction Q. So here we take P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. Here will be also P conjunction Q. So negation of S star PQ equal to negation P conjunction negation Q. In conjunction we get S. So S negation P negation Q. So negation S star PQ equal to S negation P negation Q. Proved. Now we describe the principle of duality. Very important thing. It states that if any two statements are equal, then their duals are also equal. For example, negation, since negation P conjunction Q equal to negation P disjunction negation Q. According to the De Morgan's law, we may also prove this by constructing truth table also. Then duals of this is negation P conjunction, this is conjunction, we will get disjunction in case of dual. P disjunction Q, negation P disjunction Q equal to negation P, here disjunction, therefore here duals is conjunction, negation Q. We may also prove this and verify that if this statement be equals, then their duals will also be equal. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.